All right, guys, another Series 3 autographed full-size helmet. This is the last box of this case, and then we'll do a new case coming up here in a couple weeks. So here is a list of teams on this. Brian M's got the Lions. Chris L with the Falcons and Bears. Jeff M's got the Bills. Jeffrey C with the Colts. Kenny, you've got the Raiders and the Vikings. Lance with the Ravens. Matt C with the Jags. Matthew R's got the Browns. Nicholas J, you've got the Cardinals, the Broncos, the Texans, the Chiefs, Chargers, Patriots, Eagles, Seahawks, and Redskins. Patrick G with the Jets and Bucks. Ray's got the Cowboys and the Steelers. Rick, you've got the Bengals, the Packers, the Rams, the Dolphins, the Saints, 49ers, and the Titans. Ryan V with the Giants. And then Sam, you've got the Carolina Panthers. All right, so a ton of big names in here. Aaron Rodgers, Joe Burrow, Dan Marino, Russell, Lamar, and so on. All right, so this box is a little bent up. All right, what do we got? Alabama. Alabama college helmet. All right, not a bad name here. Pull this off all together. All right, there is the auto right there. And that is going to be a Mark Ingram. So nice Schutt helmet. JSA authenticated. The sticker and the card are in there. And that's going to be length of service. Is how we do those, not current team. So current team is the Ravens, but length of service is going to be New Orleans. So Rick, that is you. It's a nice one there. So Rick pulled you a nice helmet, man, even though I don't like looking at that Alabama helmet. We will get that helmet in the mail tomorrow. So appreciate you guys joining us on this. We'll move into another case of this 2 weeks from tonight. So those eBay auctions will go up on Wednesday, and then we'll break it here in 2 weeks.